All right, so in these next few videos, we're going to talk all about microphones. The good news is these days you can buy a really top quality microphone for just a couple of $100s. Not too far back, this was not the case. There's a lot of hype on YouTube and just online in general that makes content creators feel like they need to buy super expensive gear to get great sounding audio. This is just a cash grab, view-seeking lie. Yes, there can definitely be differences heard between, say, a $270 microphone versus a $3,000 microphone, but at the end of the day, your goal is to get your content out to the world, and the differences between those microphones won't be heard by 99% of your viewers. Not to mention, there's a bunch of people out there that would say that they could hear the difference when, in all honesty, they have no idea. So, don't fall into the I need expensive gear to sound good trap. To add to that last point, like I said, the microphone you use can have an impact on your audio, which is why I have a section all about microphones here. But the most important part in getting great sounding audio isn't the microphone or any other piece of equipment. It's how you acoustically treat the space that you're recording in. We'll be getting to that later on in this course. Now, back to microphones. There's all different types. You need to know the different types, what they do, how they sound, and what's right for you specifically. There's pros and cons to all of them, and when you learn about them, you'll be able to know exactly what you need, and that will save you time and money. So, now, let's get into it.